Vanilla cake requires specific ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, milk, butter or oil, baking powder, vanilla essence, and salt. Precisely 1 cup of flour is necessary for the vanilla cake recipe. The recipe calls for exactly 1 cup of sugar. 2 eggs are required to bind the ingredients in the vanilla cake. Half a cup of milk adds moisture to the vanilla cake batter. Either half a cup of butter or oil can be used for richness and flavor. The mixing process begins by sifting together flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In a separate bowl, eggs, sugar, milk, butter, oil, and vanilla essence are whisked until well combined. Dry ingredients are gradually added to the wet ingredients. The ingredients are gently mixed until just combined. Overmixing should be avoided to maintain the desired texture. Prepared batter is poured into a greased cake pan. The cake pan is placed in a preheated oven at 180 4, 350 4 F. The cake bakes for 30-35 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center of the cake should come out clean to indicate doneness. The baked cake is removed from the oven. The cake is allowed to cool slightly before decorating.